Hey y'all, welcome back to another day in the life. Y'all be spending the day with us. First we're headed to Publix because we need some food. My baby needs some fruits and some veggies so I can make her some new stuff. So we're about to go there, and then I honestly don't know what else we're gonna do today other than me taking out this hair because it's a mess, it's dirty, it needs to be taken out. We're not gonna be outside for too long because it's cold. She don't need to be outside in this weather and I do not like the cold. So yeah, let's head to Publix to get that done, and then we'll see what else I do. We would've made some progress. Got some water down the bottom. I'm over here looking at the snacks and stuff, but she's still too small. Like, oh wait, no. Mommy, look, I found you something. This says 6 months. She's 6 months today. So we could try these. And she's not allergic to cheese. You wanna try these? Hold on. Let's see what else I can find for 6 months. I didn't think I was going to find anything. We got these. So this one says garden veggie. This one is strawberry and banana. And then we got cheddar cheese. We can get some little snacks. I'm excited. I'm excited. Mommy, I'm excited. So this is everything. It's kind of messy. I'm usually more organized than this, but she kind of in the way. I wonder how much this is about to be. I wasn't trying to spend a lot. Is it good? Do you like it? This is everything that I picked up. I got some eggs inside. These are the meats that I picked up. Just a little bit. Got some wingettes, tenderloin, ground beef. Got some spinach, peppers, lettuce for tacos. I got her some more carrots and 2 green peppers, bananas. Got 2 mangoes, apples, and blueberries. Love this, love this, love this. I cannot decide which cereal I want, so I just got this, some pancake mix, chips. And so far, she really likes the strawberry and banana, but I got cheddar cheese and garden veggie. And this is everything else I picked up. So I got 2 things of oat milk because they were on sale, buy one, get one free. Got some butter. And I'm gonna make some banana nut bread, so I got some walnuts. It's so good. Fruit punch, ice cream, milk, apple juice, and mango lemonade. This is the last bag. Got some cheddar cheese, a little pepper jack, and some bacon.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown. See, we been making love constantly. That's why my eyes are shading.
This is the aftermath of the little stick, the little strawberry and banana stick. She tore it up. Face a little messy, but definitely the shirt. And of course, she's trying to grab the phone. But no, you cannot have my phone. My baby is really growing up because when she first got this, she did not like it. And now she's able to sit in it and play.
Right up.
She used to call you Uncle Jason. I never thought she'd seduce you. No wonder she didn't dare show up today. One who pulled her into my bed. I seduced her.
There you go.
You know everything.
If word of this gets out, what will become of the family's reputation?
So tonight I'm making something quick and simple. I could have sworn we had some sour cream, but we don't. And I didn't get any at the store, so yeah. This was on sale, buy one, get one free, so I got the hard and soft, but we usually just eat soft. But yeah, I'm mad because I like sour cream on my tacos. Put the rice on. And then we're gonna cut up this tomato. I've never had this rice before. Hopefully it's good.
The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing. When I'm kissing, what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar. When you're close to me, you love me right there to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it.
Food is done. I got some rice back here. And then the shells. Excuse the pan, I messed it up. Just finished taking some quick little pictures of her. 6 months. My big baby. Hey, big baby. Oh, y'all, I'm getting emotional. Like, this is crazy. Halfway to 1 year old. She gonna be talking soon and walking. I'm so tired. I'm honestly ready to go to sleep, but I really need to at least start taking my hair out because it needs to come out. It's a mess. And I think it's going on like 4 weeks. Now, I really only wanted to keep them in for 3 weeks. So, yeah, we need to take this out before it end up locking up. I'm not ready for that yet. I'm not ready for my hair to lock up. Don't know what I'm gonna do to it. I might twist it back up. I really don't know. Today was a good day. I responded back to a brand about a sponsorship. I'm really hoping that they get back to me because they talking some real money, like real money. So it would be nice if they get back to me. We gonna see. I need that. I also planned for vlogmas. Plan on doing vlogmas this year. I'm very excited. I wanted to do it last year, but I just had a lot going on. I have Z, and I definitely want to start our own traditions and stuff. I feel like it'll be better once I move and we have our own place, but we'll be able to like do something this year. And you know, I'm just gonna push myself to post for 25 days straight. I did it before back in 2022. Yeah, when I had my own place, I did it then, and I post 25 days. So we're gonna do it again, but this time it's different because I have a child and I have to tend to her, but we're gonna get it done. All right, so I'm gonna just talk to y'all because she was sleeping, so I was trying to be very quiet so I would not wake her up. So I said I'm making some progress on my hair, and I actually ended up finding the lady who did my hair a few years ago. She gave me the best silk press ever, and she clipped my ends, and that was actually the last time I had my ends clipped. So I think that I'm gonna book an appointment with her soon and get my ends clipped because y'all can see they're real bad. My hair is long, but my ends are bad, so I really need a haircut. So yeah, that's basically what I was saying right here. And then I got into the nothing but cake. Z's daddy let me try some the other day, and then he gave me the rest. So I was telling y'all that I'm finna eat that and watch, I think it's called Billionaire Bunker on Netflix. My cousin said that was good, so I'm gonna check that out. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in the next one. And why is she back up? Why is she up? She need to stay asleep because I'm not sharing my cake. She can't even have chocolate. Why is she up? She need to go back to sleep. This is not quiet time. I won't even laugh. I was talking really low.